My name is Edward Appel. I've been practicing criminal defense law since 1988. I'm licensed in New Jersey, Pennsylvania, and admitted to the United States Supreme Court. Today, I want to talk about one of the most serious traffic offenses in New Jersey, passing a stopped school bus. A lot of people think this is just another traffic ticket. It is not. New Jersey treats passing a school bus as an extremely serious offense because it involves the safety of children. Under New Jersey law, when a school bus stops with flashing red lights activated to pick up or drop off children, motorists are required to stop and remain stopped until the children are safely clear and the red lights are turned off. On most undivided roadways, drivers approaching from either direction must stop at least 25 feet from the bus. On divided highways, different rules may apply depending on the roadway configuration. Now let's talk about the penalties. If you are convicted of improperly passing a school bus under NJSA 39-4-28.1, the consequences can be severe. First, this offense carries 5 motor vehicle points on your driving record. 5 points is substantial. Many drivers already have existing points from prior violations like speeding, careless driving, or cell phone offenses. Once drivers accumulate enough points, they can face surcharges, license suspension, and dramatically increased insurance premiums. In New Jersey, once you hit 6 points within 3 years, the Motor Vehicle Commission can impose additional surcharges, and at 12 points, your driver's license can be suspended. So even though this may seem like a single traffic ticket, it can trigger much larger problems for your driving privileges. For a first offense, the court can impose a fine of at least $100, up to 15 days in jail, community service, or both. Think about that for a moment. You can actually face jail time for passing a school bus in New Jersey. Most people are shocked when they learn that. For second or subsequent offenses, the penalties become even harsher. Drivers can face significantly higher fines and mandatory jail exposure. In some cases, the Motor Vehicle Commission may even seek suspension or revocation of your driving privileges, depending on the facts surrounding the incident. And the financial consequences do not stop there. Insurance companies treat this offense very seriously because it is considered a major safety violation involving children. Many drivers experience substantial insurance increases that can last for years after a conviction. Now, another important issue is technology. Today, many school buses are equipped with cameras capable of recording alleged violations. Some buses capture video footage of vehicles passing, while stop arms are extended and lights are flashing. As a result, many drivers receive summonses weeks after the alleged incident occurred. Sometimes they are completely unaware they were even accused of violating the law until they receive notice in the mail. But here's something very important. Not every school bus case is open and shut. There are legitimate defenses that may exist depending on the circumstances. For example, was the bus properly marked? Were the red lights activated? Was the stop arm extended? Was the roadway divided in a manner creating an exception? Was visibility obstructed? Did the driver have sufficient distance and time to stop safely? Was the vehicle identification accurate? These are all issues that can matter in court. In some situations, it may be possible to negotiate a downgrade to a lesser offense carrying fewer points or reduced penalties. That is why these cases should never simply be ignored or casually paid online without understanding the long-term consequences. Because once you plead guilty, those points, insurance consequences, and possible surcharges can follow you for years. And for people who drive professionally, commercial drivers, delivery drivers, contractors, sales representatives, or anyone whose employment depends on maintaining a clean driving history, these charges can become even more serious. The bottom line is this: Passing a stopped school bus in New Jersey is considered one of the most aggressively prosecuted traffic offenses in municipal court because of the danger it poses to children. If you or someone you know has been charged with improperly passing a school bus, it is extremely important to speak with an experienced New Jersey traffic attorney immediately to evaluate the evidence, review possible defenses, and determine whether the charge can be reduced or challenged. Again, my name is Edward Appel. I've been practicing criminal defense law since 1988, handling thousands of traffic and criminal cases throughout New Jersey. If you have questions regarding a school bus violation, traffic offense, or license-related matter, contact my office immediately. Early intervention can make a tremendous difference in protecting your license, your insurance record, and your future.